They promised smokers safety. They called it a filter. But this filter wasn't safe or useful, just small and made of microplastics that have endangered us all. For far too long, they've polluted the earth. They're literally everywhere. There's no need to search. Big Tobacco, you'll have to answer for your despicable ride, for your wake of destruction, your one little big lie. Learn more at undo.org.
I'm Sherry.
And I'm John. I'm a pharmacist. As we were starting to age, it's like, well, how can we help our cognitive abilities? We saw Prevagen. I did read the clinical study and went ahead and gave it a try. I feel that Prevagen is helping me with overall clarity, and as a pharmacist, I've recommended it to not only just customers, but also to friends and family as a safe product to try.
Prevagen, at stores everywhere without a prescription.
This coffee went from last resort to first option.
Especially since we're adding all-new cold brew to the menu. Get the smooth yet intense original flavor, or try a sweet and creamy marble cold brew. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Work, work, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's me, Tracy Turnblad, from Hairspray, Broadway's Tony Award-winning Best Musical, and we're dancing our way to your city. Don't miss Hairspray.
Coming to the Dolby Theater May 2nd through the 21st.
Now at 5:30, if you're looking to buy a home, starting today, fees on mortgages backed by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are changing. The changes are part of a Biden administration rule intended to provide more equitable access to home ownership, and specifically for people who have lower credit scores.
NBC4's Conan Nolan has more on how this will affect most people. Conan.
That's right, Colleen. You got it right. That was the intent, to try to get more people with more modest incomes into the housing market. But plenty of other folks are saying the way they're doing it is unfair.
It took effect today.
High credit buyers with scores that range from 680 to 780 will see a spike in their mortgage costs because of this new fee that they have to pay.
And has caused some consternation for those seeking to purchase a new home, particularly those who paid their bills and saved their money.
If you've got the good credit and you're putting a sizable amount down, your loan level price adjustment actually is higher now than it was 2 months ago.
The new rules regard the upfront fees for loans backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the federally backed mortgage companies that play a massive role in the U.S. housing market. Those with a higher credit rating and who put a larger deposit down on a new home will be forced to pay more in mortgage fees. New home buyers with poorer credit and lower down payments will pay less. The Federal Housing Finance Agency says it's making the move to provide what it calls equitable access to home ownership. The higher fees for those with good credit will help shore up riskier loans made by those with lower credit.
Having these lower fees for entry-level buyers will absolutely bring more entry-level buyers into the market.
Mortgage loan officers say they're getting questions. New home buyers thought the reason to build better credit was to exhibit less risk and a better deal.
As a whole, I think we're pretty confused, angered, and the consumer's probably going to be even more confused for us to try to explain what's going on.
Supporters of the new plan say making it easier to buy a home for those with a lower down payment and credit actually helps everyone.
A goal is to make Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's loans more accessible to lower income and minority borrowers, and this is
would run out of money to pay its bills by June 1st if Congress does not raise or suspend the debt limit. That warning is coming from the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. This date is earlier than Wall Street was experiencing or expecting. In response, President Biden has called an emergency meeting with congressional leaders, and that is scheduled for next Tuesday.
A surge of migrants is growing along the California-Mexico border as the end of Title 42 is nearing. Large groups of migrants are arriving near the San Ysidro port of entry. It's the largest land border cross between San Diego and Tijuana. U.S. Customs and border officials say hundreds of migrants are arriving daily, and hundreds more are expected to arrive between now and May 11th, when Title 42 expires. The policy allowed migrants to be quickly expelled without processing their asylum requests.
And starting today, Amtrak will provide buses for train passengers trying to get between Orange County and San Diego. This after the landslide shut down tracks there last week. The hillside came crumbling down in San Clemente just last Thursday. It damaged the Casa Romantica Cultural Center and caused the closure of the railroad tracks just below it. Amtrak will have to limit bus connections from Irvine to Oceanside and back, and that started this morning. There's no estimate on when those tracks will now reopen.
New at 5, the Federal Aviation Administration is being sued over the SpaceX Starship test launch. Environmental groups allege the FAA violated